Welcome to this 5-minute anxiety reset meditation. I'm so glad you're here, taking this important step for your well-being. Whether you're feeling overwhelmed, stressed, or just need a moan of peace, this meditation is designed to help you find calm right now. Find a comfortable position. You can sit, lie down, or even do this standing. There's no wrong way. Let's begin by taking one deep breath together. In through your nose and slowly out through your mouth. Perfect. First, let's ground ourselves in this moment. Notice where you are right now. Feel your body supported, whether by a chair, the floor, or wherever you're resting. You are safe in this space. Let's focus on your breathing. Don't try to change it, just notice it. Feel the air flowing in and flowing out. With each breath, you're telling your nervous system, I am okay, I am here, I am present. If your mind starts to wander to worries or to-do lists, that's completely normal. Just gently guide your attention back to your breath, like a loving friend guiding you home. Now let's release what's been weighing on you. Imagine your anxiety as a heavy backpack you've been carrying. With your next breath in, acknowledge that weight. And as you breathe out, imagine setting that backpack down beside you. You don't have to carry everything at once. Right now, in this moment, you can rest. Let's do this together. Breathe in peace. Breathe out tension. Breathe in calm. Breathe out worry. Breathe in strength. Breathe out fear. Notice how your shoulders might be softening. Feel your jaw relaxing. Let your whole body sink a little deeper into this feeling of release. You're doing beautifully. As we continue breathing together, I want you to know some truths about yourself. You are stronger than your anxiety. You have overcome challenges before, and you will overcome them again. You are worthy of peace. You deserve moments of calm in your day. You have everything within you that you need. Your breath, your strength, your resilience. They're all here with you right now. This feeling of calm you're experiencing, you can return to it any time. Your breath is always with you, ready to bring you back to this peaceful place. As we prepare to finish, take a moment to appreciate yourself for taking this time. In a busy world, choosing to pause and care for your mental health is an act of courage and self-love. Let's take 3 more intentional breaths together. With each one, imagine carrying this sense of calm with you into the rest of your day. Breath 1, I am calm and centered. Breath 2, I can handle whatever comes my way. Breath 3, I choose peace over panic. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Take your time returning to your day. Remember, this peaceful feeling is always available to you, just a few deep breaths away. Thank you for meditating with me today. If this helped you, I'd love for you to subscribe for more quick anxiety relief meditations. Take care of yourself. You're worth it.